Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ether seems to be coming down, probably heading towards the support area at the moment. It might dip into the support area. And I think I already mentioned it in the last video or it was an update to gold members earlier today. It is possible that wave 5 was shallow and topped. So it's not, well, not necessarily shallow actually, but it might have topped. I highlighted to you in the last video that if it's a wave 1 here, as per the wave count, and the wave count is correct in this white 1-2-1-2 setup, then ideally this wave 1, which is a 5-wave pattern, and we have 5 waves, then this wave 1 should top before breaking 3,741. And also bear in mind that I communicated this resistance area at 3,580, which is a structural resistance. Let's see if we can find it. It's an old chart. There you go. Here, this is resistance. Yeah, this is resistance. 3,580, 3,590. And this is basically where we're getting rejected. Okay, so the levels were clear. The levels were very clear. And also the potential that we are only in wave 5 of 1. So basically in the last wave of that first wave. So a pullback here is not a surprise. It would take a break above 3,741 for me to change my perspective and to unlock or to basically track an even more bullish structure. A break above 3,741 would be needed for me to assume that, well, we maybe had only a very, very small 1-2 setup, and we're already in the third wave of the third wave. But that's not the preferred scenario at the moment, not until we break above 3,741. And we're already tracking an accelerated bullish count here, because also here this wave 2 that bottomed on the 21st of February was very shallow. But also then the third wave that followed should be a 5-wave move. Maybe we don't get a deep wave 2 anymore, but let's see what we can track, you know. And the idea is that we should still see further upside in the white count, which is currently the preferred count, as long as the $3,001 level is holding. So basically $3,000 is the upper support range. Hasn't changed to the previous video. Not really enough price action to say, okay, this is wave 2. It looks like that. Let's check if wave 5 of 1 actually reached ideal targets, because we can determine that based on the subwave structures there. So if I say this was wave 1, okay, and then we compare that with the length of wave 5, it reached a 1.618 extension. Okay, so it's a good, it's even a bit of an extended 5th wave there. And then another way of measuring target is we take the length of waves 1 and 3 and we go to the low of the wave 4. And here it also reached basically an ideal level, the 38.2 extension. So yeah, it did what it needed to do. So maybe this is now wave 2 and it should be an ABC structure. Not going to label it yet, but this move down would be an A wave. And oftentimes an A wave reacts to the area around the 38.2 fib level. So in this case, 3,254. And let's see if we see that, okay? First of all, it needs to get there. And then if we see a reaction, then we might get a small B wave and a C wave to complete wave 2. Below $3,000, I would have to revise this chart. That's my update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.